All right. Check 1 2. Check 1 2. How you doing, everybody? I'm going live just with my phone. I want to see if this is going to work before we go much further. Sunny day.
All right. Check 1 2.
All right, this is working.
Check 1 2. How you doing, everybody? I'm going live just with my phone.
BOOZHOO, John Redcorn. Let me,
It's gonna work.
how can I set this up?
Before we go much further.
Hold on, you guys.
Sunny day. All right. Check 1 2.
All right,
this is working.
Um,
How you doing, everybody? Going live.
Okay. Behind the scenes of BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons, and I wanted to stop in on the live stream. My Facebook page got hacked. I can't get into Facebook, and that's that. I've been on Facebook for years now. And, this whole show actually started on Facebook with my cartoons I would share and stuff. But it's all screwed up now, and I can't get in. And part of me feels like this might be a good time as any to quit using Facebook anyway. Facebook sucks. It has sucked forever. It's nothing but frustrating. It hasn't brought us together. It's totally made society worse. But anywho, so I wanted to show you around the house. How you doing, Jim? Hey, Missy, how you doing? So here's a close-up of this cartoon. This is sort of a self-portrait I did years ago when I used to have a goatee. I got tired of looking like a magician, so I shaved off the goatee. Here's David Bowie. Here's a nice cartoon from the cover of the coloring book. Let's see what's up here. A kiss. Butterfly girl. The sky. John says he's never had a Facebook account. I think Facebook's over. I don't think it's cool. I think that's pretty much a boomer thing. Oh, why don't you contact me on Facebook, But here's a cartoon I did of Steven looking out the window of a spaceship at a ball Earth. I don't believe in a ball Earth anymore, but there's that. Here's a fish. Gigoo. And there's the moon. There's cartoons of my eyes. Old comic strips from college. And yeah, so here's a view from, let's call it, this is what I see when I'm doing the show. Here's a laptop I use. And a whole bunch of lights and cameras and action. There's Natasha in the back. I don't want to show her. And yeah, so it looks like this pretty much. How about that? Okay, this is getting weird. There's 9 people watching. Curtis is here. I watch social media destroy my ex's worldview. Good times. Yeah. Social media has destroyed our society. I mean, it's polarized us, but it's also exposed us to what each of us believes and what we won't tolerate anymore. Oh, it's such a warm, beautiful fire. So, let's see. Click the join. I'm going to be doing a members-only live stream tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. I'm not sure how that works yet. But we just started a subscription-based live stream channel. You know, me and my real doll here. Why won't you speak to me? This is Emily. She's frozen in time. I don't know. This is a hand drum a friend of mine made for me. His name was Jumbo Downwind. And it's a red thunderbird, and that's my Indian name. Misqua Benesi. Red thunderbird. Or you could also call me Misqua Anamakika Beneshi. Red thunderbird. So yeah, this is the studio. Not much, but it's home. And now my arm's getting tired. So, yeah, don't look for us on Facebook anymore. Oh, this is cool. Let me show you this. Here's the poster we had when we did the Great Rivers Arts show in Little Falls. I don't even remember what year this was anymore. I think this is 2 years ago. January 27th. What would that be? 2021, maybe? It's me and Natasha. That was a fun show. Thanks again, Mike. My high school buddy set it up. I don't know. Okay. Well, hey, that's about all I have for now. Don't look for us on Facebook anymore. I think I'm done with Facebook. Is Jessica going to keep the site up as far as you know? Yeah, I think so. I mean, I even heard. I never did the BOOZHOO Crew site, but I can't get on Facebook anymore, and I'm just gonna let it go, I guess. So, but tune in tomorrow at 8 o'clock, and we'll have a new live stream. I'm going to start some new stuff. You know, more celebrity birthdays, and I don't know. But thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you tomorrow. Miigwech, Gabizandawiyeg. Thank you for listening. Michael Lyons, Nindijan Michael Lyons is my name. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minowa. Hoa.